Good morning everyone. Ibahin na muna natin ang style natin. Let's go have our walking inside our community subdivision. Pagkamat hindi muna tayo mag-gym for now dahil super crowded pa yung tao. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano ka-crowded. So basically it's indeed one of the moments na talagang ibay natin yung style natin ngayong araw na to saka mas mga susunod na araw. So, ngayon ay Wednesday. We need to take walking inside the subdivision. Siguro ganun ang gawin natin. Twice a week na muna tayo sa gym starting in the next coming weeks. Okay? So, yun na muna for now. Pero samahan niyo muna ako dahil may tayong pag-uusapan. Okay? Lampas 1 kilometer na pala tayo, hindi ko na namamalayan, but it's basically, of course, gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na bago na yung schedule natin, which is twice a week muna tayo mag-gym, hindi na muna tayo mag 5 times a day kasi na subukan na natin, medyo maraming nagbago. So, for now, it's gonna be Tuesday, Thursday, gym. Then Monday, Wednesday, Friday, jogging sa subdivision. Medyo agaan lang natin yung Monday, Wednesday, Friday kasi kontod naman natin, nasa loob naman tayo ng subdivision natin. So, that's basically everything to us. Green Flash, parang naalala ko yung kanta na yan dahil always green tayo diyan sa Metro Plaza Vicas, I think Anytime Fitness. But anyhow, again, like what I have said, ibay natin yung schedule, but 2K pa, but it's gonna be different from anything else this week. So in the next coming weeks, talagang we will be in the balance mode na ngayon. For now. Take a mas maganda talaga to na balansehin natin yung gym and yung lakad sa labas. Para at least may iba yung ating perspective. You know, may iba natin yung perspective talaga. So 3K, how much more pa? 'Di ba? Hanggang saan naabot ang isang oras natin? Let's go. Lampas na pala tayo sa 5,000 goal. Anyhow, 7:13 a.m. guys, we reached the 5,000 steps goal. Lampas 4 kilometers na tayo. Konting-konti na lang. We will reach 1 hour. So, 1 hour na muna tayo sa walk natin. Let's see where this goes. Okay? 5 kilometers. So, yun yung nakita natin up to 7:31 a.m. So, more than an hour. Pero, yun ang pinakamaganda. So, that's it for now. This is JM saying you're part of the conversation. At kahit nasa labas ng gym tayo, let's remember that we'll be consistent at all times.